Did you know that Pizza Hut practically invented the pan pizza in the mid-1980s? That fluffy crust with crispy edges was their secret to becoming one of the 5 largest fast food chains in the world. And today, I'm going to reveal the tricks to recreating the legendary Pizza Hut-style pan pizza, just as it was made back then, so you can prepare it in your kitchen and relive that unforgettable flavor. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. As with any pizza, the first secret is the dough. There are hundreds of different types of flour, and one of the main differences is the protein content. Why mix flours? Bread flour with an 11.5% to 12% protein value will give us soft texture, good alveoli, and easy handling. Strong flour with 13% protein value give us structure, elasticity, and better gas retention. Semolina, 13% protein, help us to improve color, make dough easier to handle, and adds crispness. What ratio to use? Bread flour, 70%. In this case, for 2 10 inches pizzas, 2 cups. Strong flour, 20%. 2/3 cup. Semolina, 10%. 1/3 cup. Now that you know more about flour, let's check the full ingredients list. 2 cups bread flour, 2/3 cup strong flour, 1/3 cup semolina, 3/4 cup lukewarm water, 2/5 cup lukewarm milk, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon honey, 2 teaspoons instant yeast or 6 teaspoons active yeast, 2 teaspoons salt, 1.5 tablespoon vegetable oil. Dry yeast or active yeast. You can use either, but if you use active yeast, you'll need triple the amount. Mix the yeast with the milk and water. Add the sugar and the honey. Whisk. Let activate for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, mix the bread flour, strong flour, semolina, and the salt. Add the liquid mix. Subscribe for more videos. And mix, incorporating a little of the flour in each turn. When all the flour is mixed, we will add the oil. It's time to knead by hand, although you can also use a mixer for the entire process. This dough is 75% hydrated, so it is quite difficult to work with. Transfer it to a bowl and let it rest, covered for 30 minutes. Then we will put it in the refrigerator for 12 to 20 hours. The next day, we will take our dough out of the refrigerator an hour and a half before baking it. After 30 minutes, grease a 10-inch pizza pan with oil. If you have a cast iron skillet, even better. That is the key to achieving the best result. The dough will still be a bit difficult to work with, but don't worry, the result will be spectacular. With the help of a little hot water, we'll create the perfect environment inside the oven for the next hour to get the dough ready to bake. We will use that time to prepare the pizza ingredients. 1 cup tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano. Mix the tomato sauce with the salt, the sugar, and the oregano. We will cook in a saucepan for about 15 minutes over low heat, or until most of the water is lost. For this classic recipe, we will only need pepperoni, tomato sauce, and lots of grated mozzarella. The dough is ready to bake. We heat the oven to 425 degrees. We will put the pizza in the oven to pre-cook it for 5 minutes. Then we will spread the tomato sauce. Mozzarella cheese. A lot of mozzarella. And finally, the pepperoni. If you prefer, you could try other toppings. 10 more minutes, and our pizza will be ready. Leave a like and a comment if you like this video. Done. Enjoy. And if you love pizza, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.